Hey guys, it's another video from your favorite GB official here. As you notice, I have a spot on my lip. It's quite tormenting, but that's not the topic of today's video. Actually, the topic of today's video is about people wearing masks. Now, as you know, in most countries, and Ireland especially, it is a law to wear a mask when you're going into a shop. Now, you can already determine people that don't wear them at all. Um, what happens to them? They get a fine. But you have these people that are, kind of just skimming around the rules. Now, I'm going to show you what kind of people I'm talking about. So here's a mask, a nice Adidas mask. I'm going to put it on like this. Now, this is how you're meant to wear it going in to the shop. I see guys, they walk into the shop and it's down here like, like, what the fuck you doing, man? Like, look at my ear, look at my ear, come on, man. Like, you're walking around like that, oh, breathing in people's faces, like, come on, man. There's some people that are like, oh, well, I'm not that bad because I cover my mouth here. I don't need to cover my nose because why would I cover my nose? Well, your nose is also, you're breathing air in and out. So, you're going to get the sickness, we'll call it. Like that, you're sniffing like a lot of coke. You're sniffing it right into your fucking nostrils. Like, and then you go home a couple of days later, you're sitting back and you're like, oh fuck, how did I get that? Oh no. Yeah, that's why, cause your fucking nose isn't covered. Like, what's there's something wrong with it like this, like, you know what I mean? Looks like not even fucking up my glasses or nothing. Like, why? Or these guys, man, they go into the shop, like, they're wearing like this, they're wearing it normal, they know exactly how they're meant to be wearing it. Do you think you're a Don? Do you think you're an OG gangster by wearing it like this? You're not. You're an idiot. You are, like, if there was actual gangsters on the street and they were looking for someone to stab, it would be the guy wearing a mask like this. It says, I don't give a fuck, but I'm still wearing a mask, and yeah, oh, I'm class. You're not great, man. You're not great. You're a shithead. You're someone that, just really is taking the piss and deserves a SWAT team to come with, not with guns, but with batons, to hit every joint in your body. Um, because this is messing, man. This is a joke. It's a joke. Why do you have a mask? Wear it like that. Like, just don't wear it at all. Then, all right. You want to die. You want to die. It's your own problem. Like, but I'm just. It's just one of the little things that annoy me. Like, you can actually wear a mask and look really good in a mask. You know what I mean? Can't get it on here. You can look really. What's in my fucking ears, man? What's in my fucking ears, man? Uh, you can go around look like this. I mean, that looks pretty OG. If I do say so myself, that's pretty OG. Like, but like, come on, guys, just wear the fucking mask so we can get out of this fucking thing, man. For fuck's sake, like, fucking idiots, man. What the fuck is wrong with you? Like, where's your brain? Like, where's your fucking brain, man? Doesn't seem like you fucking have one up there, man. Fucking idiot. Yeah, just wear your mask properly, boys, and I won't be slagging you off to that. Like, simple as. Just wear your fucking mask, man. Just wear it. Just wear it. Like, come on, like, do camps.